All right, so part two, right? I done seasoned it with all that good shit, and I was about to cut some onions and some green peppers and all that other shit up, but like most times you don't have to do that. All you have to do is get you that shit that's already cut up already. So you want to take some shit out of there, you know, throw some shit up in there, some green peppers, some onions, some red peppers, and some yellow, and throw some yellow peppers up in there, right? That's all you really need to do, to shorten the cooking process. That's all you really need to do to shorten the cooking process. You don't have to put a lot in there. You just can put enough. You know what I'm saying? You just put enough. Enough is all you need. You take that top shit and throw that shit back up in there. And you know, something that most people don't know. And I almost forgot. Shit, what is it? Oh boy. Okay. There's some shit that I almost forgot. Like one of the main ingredients, butter. Right? This is one of the main ingredients that you need. Like most times when you cooking some shit, yo, listen to me. If you, if you don't know, I'm not going to tell you. Okay? If you don't know, take you about 8, 9, maybe 10 tablespoons of some butter, and you put that shit in there like that, right? And then you take it and then you uh put it in the freezer and shit. Not in the freezer. Put, put that shit in the refrigerator, right? Yo, throw that shit in the refrigerator. Right? You take that shit, throw it in the refrigerator. Just like that. Right? Just like that. Overnight. And what you also can do, like most people don't know, right? I'm gonna tell you some real shit, right? Most people don't know. This shit right here will help your motherfucking ass get blessed. That. You take that. You pour some of that in there, right? And you throw the top on it, right? And then come over here. Gotta move some of this shit, yo, cause shit real need to feel, right? So you take that and you just throw that shit in the refrigerator, right? And just leave it there for like 8 hours. 8 hours or how many ever hours you want to do. And that's the bottom line. Oh man, let me get the fucking bed. I got to get up.